These 8 AI skills will make you absolutely unstoppable in 2025. What if I told you that the most successful professionals in 2025 won't be the hardcore coding specialists, the expert marketeers, or the niche designers? The winners of the AI revolution, I believe, will be the generalists. The game is changing, and in the next few minutes, I am going to share with you some skills that will help you not only just survive, but dominate this new era. We'll break down the 4 fundamental AI powers and the 8 essential skills that will turn you into a highly adaptable, one-person creative, and a business powerhouse. Now, to understand this shift that's happening, let's look at nature. You have the panda, who are perfectly adapted to one thing, and that is eating bamboo. If the bamboo disappears, then the panda is in real trouble. Then you have generalists like the raccoon. I'm not sure if that's a great example, but they can thrive in a forest, in the suburb, or in a city. They basically adapt. They survive and flourish in changing environments. For decades, our careers have been about becoming pandas, specializing in one field. But AI is the asteroid that's changing the entire landscape. It's becoming the best in the world at highly specific tasks. So trying to out-specialize AI is a losing game. The future belongs to the raccoons. The AI generalist who can adapt, learn, and use AI to master multiple domains. And you know what? This isn't just a theory. This is the strategy that has helped, entrepreneurs make millions and has allowed individuals to build and launch ideas in a weekend. That used to take teams of people months and hundreds of thousands of dollars. So how do you become an AI generalist? Well, you start by mastering 4 fundamental powers. These are the power to build, the power to automate, the power to create, and the power to connect. And within these powers are 8 essential skills that we're going to learn about. But let's break down the 4 powers. Power 1, the power to build. For years, if you had an idea for an app or a website, you had 2 options. A, learn to build for years, or B, pay a developer a small fortune to create what you want. Now, AI has completely shattered that barrier. The power to build is now in your hands. And so this brings us to skill number 1 under this first power, which is AI-assisted software development. You no longer need to be a professional coder to build software. With tools like Replit or other no-code platforms, you can use plain English to describe what you want, and the AI will generate the code for you. You can think of it as having a junior developer on call 24/7. You can build functional apps, internal tools, and websites in a fraction of the time. The second power is the power to automate. Now that you can build, the next step is to automate. This is about creating digital workers that handle repetitive tasks for you 24/7. And this is where the true leverage is. This power is built on 4 key skills that we're going to look at. And that brings us to skill number 2, no-code development. Using platforms like Zapier or Make.com, you can create simple automations that connect your different apps and services without writing a single line of code. For example, automatically saving your attachments to some kind of Dropbox or getting a Slack notification for a new sale. That's how that works. Number 3, workflow automation. This is the next level. Think of it as, creating a digital assembly line. When a new customer signs up, a workflow can automatically send them a welcome email. It can then add them to your CRM and assign a task to your project management tool. Pretty easy, right? Number 4, prompt engineering. This is the art and science of talking to AI. The better your instructions or prompts, the better the AI's output. Mastering this skill is crucial for getting the most out of any AI tool, from generating text to creating automations. And number 5, API integrations. APIs, or application programming interfaces, are what allow different softwares to talk to each other, and understanding the basics of how APIs connect is pretty key, to creating powerful custom automations that are tailored to your exact needs. And this then builds us to the third power, which is the power to create. Think about what it used to take to produce professional quality creative work. You needed photographers, videographers, graphic designers, and audio engineers. Now all you need is just your laptop and the right AI tools. And this power comes with 2 skills that we're going to learn about. Number 1, generative content creation. With tools like Midjourney for images, Runway ML for video, and Suno for music, you can generate stunning original content from a simple text prompt. Need a logo, a video ad, or background music for your podcast? You can create it in minutes. The second skill is AI-powered editing and enhancement. So it's not just about creating from scratch, it's about polishing to perfection. And tools like Descript can edit a video just by editing the text transcript. Other AI tools can enhance the audio quality, color correct images, and refine your creative work to a professional standard with only just a few clicks. And then the fourth power is the power to connect. Having all these amazing skills to build, automate, and create is pretty much useless if you can't connect with an audience. And in the digital age, visibility is opportunity. Whether you're building a personal brand, selling your product, or advancing your career, you need to be able to connect. And that brings us to skill number 8. AI enhanced writing for personal branding. Not a natural writer? Not a problem anymore. AI writing assistants can help you to brainstorm ideas, structure your thoughts, and write compelling content in a clear and engaging way. This isn't about having a robot write for you. It's about amplifying your own ideas. This is essential for writing on social media, building a newsletter, or communicating effectively with your team. So, do you see how these powers and skills connect? You, for example, have an idea for a business, that is, build an app, automate the marketing and customer onboarding, create all the visual and video content for your campaign, and connect with your audience through a powerful AI-assisted blog or newsletter. Now, this is the power of the AI Generalist. It's not about being a master of one trade. It's about being the director of a symphony of AI tools. And this path requires a change in mindset. You have to embrace curiosity and be willing to learn and adapt. The good news is that you can start learning these skills today for free, okay? And this is really why I created this video. As a beginner in this AI journey, is just to share some tools that can help you in your journey as well. I do hope that you have enjoyed it and that you will start your journey to being an AI generalist, build those apps, automate, create, and connect. Find an audience to connect with. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please subscribe and like it. Leave a comment. Tell me how you're using AI in this generation that we're in. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.